Hi, this is Kerry Stover here at Corny's tonight. Had a little thing happening around here. It's pretty common. You can tell by the echo I'm out in this shop. You see I have a brake rotor here beside me, something that's replaced frequently in Pennsylvania with all the hills, particularly in our area. Something I wanted to show you that's happening, the more a vehicle sits, the more common this is, but it still happens regardless. I don't know if you can really see right up here at the top. You can see about that much of this rotor has a rust ridge. It all should look like this material down here. It's all nice and shiny. That's how it should look. But as you can see, it's not. And to show you what's happening there, here's the brake pad. And I'll set it in there. It would be about like that. And I don't know if you can, yeah, you can. You can see there's no surface up above the brake pad. And what the problem is, this brake pad is only getting about 3/4 of it is actually stopping your car. So that's not good. You don't want to lose, that 1/4. Now I'm going to flip this around. I wanted you to see the other side. And this is what generally people go, oh my goodness. Well, again, you can see right here, a little shiny area. That's really all the more surface that brake pad was actually hitting. This is the back side. This is what we normally see. Of course, you can see this up here and down below. And no, the pad does not reach clear to the end or clear to the end in here. But as you can see, we have what? Maybe a 1/2 inch of braking surface out of this whole top and bottom. This rotor will have to be replaced. It's well back past being machined, but you can see that's a real issue. You're not getting, on this particular brake rotor, you're not even getting half the braking force that you should have to help stop your car. To put that in a little more perspective, if you're only getting about half of the braking force up front, where 70 to 75% of your braking is done, how well do you think this vehicle is going to stop? That could be the difference between you hitting somebody and not hitting somebody. Like I said, this rotor's got to be replaced. I wanted to show you that it's real common around here. We see it in all makes and models. Can't say all the US messed up again. No, it's not the case. It's our rust, the salt, and our conditions on the road are creating this. And sitting in grass, sitting over a wet surface of any kind will help promote that. But it seems to always be on the backside it's the worst. So I just want to give you that little tip. If you hear some grinding or your brakes seem a little spongy, that's about all you're going to notice. Like I said, you can look in the side, usually through the nice fancy wheels they have, and they're all nice and shiny, but that backside can look just like this one does. So that's my tip for tonight. Go that button up above. There's other articles in our blog site that you'd like to go through and learn more about cars. They'll help get you off the highway. You'll know what to do, what not to do. So I appreciate you being with me tonight. We have started recording this and putting them on YouTube so they're more accessible. And they'll also be getting into our website once I transfer them there. So again, give us a call, have questions. If you want to talk to me about brakes, come on in. I'll be glad to help you. Thanks again. You all take care, and we'll see you soon.